How to fix OBS that keeps crashing and freezing. This tutorial will guide you through the process of fixing the crashing issues with OBS Studio on Windows 10 and 11. If you're experiencing instability with OBS while streaming or recording, this guide will help you identify common causes and implement effective solutions. Actually, the best way to solve this is to try to close all running apps and try only running the OBS app. If the OBS app still does not solve the problem, uninstall and reinstall the OBS app. If OBS app problems are still not solved, try to reformat your operating system and download the OBS app only to check if it runs smoothly. If OBS still crashes, I think you need to upgrade your PC or laptop because even though it's only the OBS app, it still has system requirements to run OBS smoothly. Better to upgrade your PC or laptop and make sure that before you buy, check the requirements for OBS first and compare it to the PC or laptop that you want to buy so that there will be no problem after buying a PC or laptop to run the OBS app. I can say the specific requirements for OBS as of right now, since there will be a chance that the system requirements for OBS are still upgrading, just like other programs. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues with OBS Studio on your Windows 10 or 11 system. Remember to keep your software updated and check for conflicting applications. If problems persist, consider visiting OBS forums or support for additional help. Happy streaming!